Hey, what's poppin' everybody? It's your girl Ariel, aka Ari, coming right back at you with another video. And today I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing a different kind of wig, a headband wig from MyFirstWig. And I was actually supposed to be filming another wig video right now, but I'm super late to where I'm going. So I was just like, you know what, let me put on this wig instead because it's actually a lot quicker. So we're just going to get straight into it because I don't have any time to waste. So let's go. So this is the box that it comes in. It's a really cute box, and when you open the box, there are actually a lot of goodies inside, like a lot. So I'm excited to show you guys. So first, the wig comes in this bag. I already took out the wig, but the wig comes in this bag. And let me show you guys what I got. So I actually got an edge brush, which I get super excited anytime I get one of these at the store. So I found that one for free. I got an edge brush, which comes in super handy. I used it to, not this one, my old one, to actually do my edges. Speaking of edges, it actually comes with an edge control in this cute little package. I didn't use this edge control because it's nothing against this edge control, it's just that my edges are, I don't know, man. I'll show you guys how it looks inside. It's clear. It comes with a whole bag of goodies. So I got another comb. I always need these combs because I don't know about y'all homes, but these don't last in my house. They just get lost. And these two clamps. These are the really good kind. Like, I like these ones because they don't slide. So I got two of these. And I got bobby pins. Well, the really good ones. And you think it's done, but it's not done yet. I still got more stuff. So it also came with headbands, different kind of headbands, because the wig of itself, which you will see, comes with a headband of itself, but they give you different options. So they give you like this tropical vibe one, this red one, and this gray one. So this is the wig here. As you can see, it has no lace, it's just a headband. I hope you can see clearly. It's like the wig starts here, but the headband is sewn on, and it comes with an elastic. The headband continues into this band. So, and it also comes with the adjustable straps at the back like a regular wig. So I put it on the tightest setting. I was going to put on a cap. Let me still put on a cap. Never mind. I don't know where my black cap is. I'm just gonna put it on without a cap. And you could adjust this elastic band. I don't know if I want to do it tighter. I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. Put it on. Pull down the wig. I'm not going to use the comb at the back because I hate the feel of the comb. But this is what we are dealing with so far. I think I want to make it a bit tighter. I'm going to make it a bit tighter because we don't want this wig to go anywhere. I'm just adjusting it to the tightest setting. Like that. I'm trying to get the back strap out, these tiny ones at the back. Okay, I should have cut, usually I cut this off, which I think I'm going to do right now. Nope, I don't have time. I'm going to cut it off the next time I wear this. Put this on. Comb. I hate combs, man. I usually cut off the combs because they hurt. But you can use this comb if you want to, but I personally shall not do that. So, pull it down. And that's how it's looking right now. Okay, no, I actually have to use the comb. I can feel it slipping. Okay, there's a comb right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to use it. Hopefully it doesn't hurt. I hate using combs, but I feel compelled today. Okay, that's how we're doing. Looks pretty cool. Y'all can see my edges. Separate my edges a bit. I'm using a different lens, new lens, new me, so it's like I'm kind of far, so I can't really see, and I don't have a monitor right now. So I hope you guys can see what's going on. I forgot a comb. Luckily, it came with a comb. this. This is the YAKI texture in 16 inches. And it's really nice. There's no tangling. But it's pretty natural. That was so easy. Like, I'm actually just, wow. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. That's crazy. This is how long it is. That's crazy. I've never put on a wig so quick in my life. Like, I'm kind of just waiting to do something else, but there's nothing else to do. Except put on this headband. I'm gonna put on the gray one because I'm just basic like that, y'all. I believe this is how you put it on. Get it. What on earth is this? Oh snap, the band is sticking out. Let me stick that back underneath. We don't need that exposing me. Okay. And then we're just going to pull. Oh, I think I put it on the wrong way. See? This is so cute. This is so cute. It actually looks like my hair because that is my hair and it looks like it just continues. That's crazy. But where's my earring? Oh no. Anyway, that's it guys. That's all for this install. I can't believe how fast that was. I am going to be wearing this. Usually I sell my wigs, but this one I'm not selling. This one is gonna come in clutch. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is literally the fastest. I keep saying that, but I don't know what else to do. But this is so cool. I think this is like the cutest thing ever. Tell me what you guys think about it. I think every black woman should have this. That is if you're an extension wearer, because, and the thing is, it's not gonna hurt your edges like how a lace front wig would. This would protect your hair. So that's super dope. And I think I'm going to eventually curl this hair with a wand curler. Oh, that's gonna look so cute. Because I like curly hair more than I like straight hair on me. But for now I'm gonna leave it straight. I don't wanna have to flat iron it. It's just, ooh, I love it. Let me show you guys the back. That's the back. And that's it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna show you guys the headbands that it comes with again. I think I'll probably take pictures with it another day because I'm really rushing right now. But these are exactly like this, but they're just different colors. I think I'll take some pictures and show you guys. But for now, that's it. That's how you install it. And to be honest, I really think you guys should all go get one. I really think so. Like, this is so dope. The convenience of this. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Make sure you like this video, you comment down below, and you share it with a friend, because sis, we all know a girl who don't know how to put on a lace front wig. And honestly, I don't blame them. I hate putting on lace front wigs. They look nice, but I hate doing it because it takes so much time, especially if you don't have those expensive lace that blend. Long story short, what I'm trying to say is go send this video to your sister who you know just needs something to just leave, you know, when you're late for work or late for school, or you just need to go to an event or whatever, and you can wear it with just the black band that I had on before. So yeah, anyway, make sure you like this video, comment down below, share it with a friend, and of course you subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I love you.